and today I have an unboxing of the June Sketchbox for you. So let's just dig right in and see what we've got this month. So as we open up our box, it looks like, all right, we have our information card, and then we always get a kind of postcard type information about an artist and their information on the back, as well as a social media link. And then, so let's look and see what we've got in the box. It looks like we've got some reactive ink, printmaking and drawing cotton, and then we have our little Sketchbox sticker, and then we have a brush, a white gel pen, and Sarasa, I think it's from Zebra. It's a fine liner in pink. So let's look at the pricing for these. So we've got, these are Hero Arts reactive inks. And so what that means is that after they dry, they remain reactive. So it looks like they need to be shaken up a bit, because you can see, maybe you can see here the separation, but there's a blue raspberry. So we've got something similar to primary colors here. We've got, what does this one say? Lemon drop, and you can maybe see this one better, that it needs to get mixed up. And then we've got fruit punch, which is kind of a, it looks like a orangey or pinky red color. So there's that. And then, did I tell you those 3 bottles of reactive ink are retail at $17.99. Then the Zebra fine liner in deep pink, it's a 0.8 millimeter. So let's just take a look at the point on that. All right, definitely a fine liner. And that retails for $2.10. The paintbrush is a King Art Gold 9000 series round brush, size 4, and that retails for $9.99. Our white gel pen is a Sketchbox signature white gel pen. It's a 0.8 millimeter, and there is the round end on that. It doesn't seem to have a protective piece that needs to be removed, similar to other gel pens that do. And this is $3.59. And then we've got our printmaking and drawing 100% cotton mold made white 200 GSM in 4x6 inches, and we've got 8 sheets of this, and this retails for $5.99. So that's everything that comes in the box. And the prompt this month is Sweet Treat, and so they want us to paint something similar to a fruit type. But before we do that, we're going to test out our colors here, and so I'm going to give them all a really good shake. And then I have a piece of plastic here that I'm just going to use as a palette, and I've got some water off to the side so we can just see how this goes. So these are taking up, I'm aggressively shaking this. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice as I'm getting these going, and I'm starting to see the mixture happening. So it looks like they're going to take a little bit to get them going, just so you know. And as I said, these are from Hero Art. I have used other Hero Art products in the past, but I don't know that I am familiar with their reactive ink. So let's just swatch some out here and see. Make sure I'm still in camera there. The shadow you see off to the top is my water container. So you can see we're looking at what seems to be more of a green, more of an orange, and then our yellow is a little bit dark, maybe a mustardy color. What did I say? It was lemon drop. All right, so I'm just going to wet my brush here Probably should bring over dry paper just to have. And let's see, the color seems pretty dense, so let's see what that looks like. And then as we add water to it, we can see that we can blend it out lighter and lighter. All right, so that gives you a really nice blend for the yellow, and I'm assuming these other two will work in a similar manner. So I'm starting out with the solid color, no water whatsoever, and then I'm adding a little to my brush. Actually, with the pinky red one, I actually wiped off the paint, and so that one went lighter faster than what I'm getting with these other ones. But yeah, you can definitely see how they're blending out, and so from 100% of the ink and then blending out with water. And then they say that they're reactive, so once they dry you can add water to them. And can you see here the splotches we're getting in the greenish blue color, and my water is a little tainted here for the others, but you can see that we're going to get a reaction from using those. So very interesting, huh? And then let's just try out, of course, the fine liner. Very, very fine, right? But you could, you know, go over, if you wanted to go over your paint that you put down here, or I guess reactive ink, you could definitely, you know, draw on each of these colors with that, as well as going over it with the white gel pen. So let's just see how that goes on for a cover. And that's working on those as well. I don't, you know, it's still a little bit damp, but I definitely can see the white gel on top of those colors. So yeah, all of them are working as they're supposed to. And as I said, this is the June box, and so you're going to want to go to Sketchbox website. I'll put a link down below. I have an affiliate code if you're interested in helping me out and letting me know what you think, or if you even use these reactive inks before. They look to be very interesting, and I like how they have interaction with the water afterwards. It does say here that you need to shake it well and apply with a brush straight from the bottle, or dilute with water to change the intensity, which is exactly what we did here with our samples. It says it's non-toxic and it is water reactive. So yeah, those are the three colors. I don't know if they come in other colors. I know that there's two different kinds of sketch boxes that you can get. The first one being the basic, which is what I have here, and then there's a one that's a layer up from this, and that one gives you a few more materials in it, and I think it's like $5 or $10 more than this box. I think this box was $30 per month, and you can start and stop your subscription whenever you want. So yeah, and then with their prompt, like, they're going to give you tutorials on how to use the different materials that are in their box, but then also they have a prompt, and if you use the prompt, with this month being Sweet Treat, and you submit your artwork to the internet using their hashtag, they will send you some additional materials. So that's an added perk for really using the products and seeing how they work for you. So I hope you liked seeing what came in my June box. I am happy with my subscription. This is my, I don't know, my third or my fourth month of getting them. And I really haven't had a box that hasn't interested me so far. So I'm interested in seeing how this box relates to other boxes, other subscription boxes. So I may subscribe to another company and then compare the two sometime down the road. But for right now, I am getting the Sketchbox, and it seems to be a good value for what I get for my money. So, and like I said, I have an affiliate code. However, this box and my opinions are all mine. I'm paying for this box myself. I am not provided with this for a review. It is purely, you know, out of my pocket that I'm purchasing these materials. So that's an unbiased review, but I do have an affiliate link, and I'd appreciate it if you could use it. Let me know which of these products you are most interested in giving a go. And thanks for watching to the end of the video.